So if, like me, and you've got an older iPhone, this is an iPhone 7, and you want to get in on the wireless charging action, then there's one simple way you can do it. And that is by getting a wireless charging adapter. This is the one from Choetech, available on Amazon. Hit the links up below in my description. Obviously, at the moment, phone doesn't charge. But plug it in on the bottom, and it folds around the back of the phone. And it does charge, as you can see there with the orange light flashing. So all you need to do is get one of these. Most people have a case on their phone. Works through a case. This is probably about a 3mm rubber case. You can't even see that it's on. Maybe a slight bulge in the back there, but nothing major. You can see the plug in the bottom there, and the phone charges. Now, the obvious disadvantage of this is your charging port is blocked, and in order to take that off, you have to take the phone case off and take the QI charger out. That is the main disadvantage. Really, what you need to then do is have chargers everywhere. So everywhere you go, your office, your bedside cabinet, your living room, everywhere that you're going to charge your phone, you'll need one of these. Which is a little bit expensive, but it future-proofs you. When you upgrade your phone to the latest iPhone or the latest Samsung or whatever, you already have the wireless chargers everywhere. Really simple. This particular one from Choetech is a little bit sensitive. You have to get the phone right in the middle of the pad for it to start charging, but that is the case with a lot of phones these days anyway. Using this specific charger from Choetech, I found that this iPhone 7 will charge from probably about flat to 100% in about 2.5–3 hours, which isn't too bad at all. And it's ideal if you're just picking it up and putting it down all day. Have one on your desk as you're working away, as you're streaming music or whatever, your phone can be keeping topped up. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the links up below for where you can buy one of these on Amazon. They're only a few quid. Really a good investment. And if you have been, thank you for watching.